chocolate chips?
I won't actually get in the shot. It'll just be the hand model.
Hand model. Okay, we're gonna be making,
That's what hand models do, right? They just wash their hands repeatedly. That's all they're good for.
We're gonna do, double the recipe, because the other time we made cookies, it didn't last very long.
Wait, Mom.
So,
Make these.
you're gonna need 7, this is the normal recipe, but again, we're gonna just kind of double it. Right?
Yes.
You need 7/8 cup butter. Can you say butter?
Butter.
Butter. Baby, we're supposed to be helping.
I am helping. I'm a hand model, remember?
Not a very good one. Butter.
Butter.
I think we've seen Cloudy the Chance Meatballs a few too many times.
What was the second?
Eating.
Well, yes, whatever. Same difference. Just because I
No
didn't
more
say the
butter,
2 at
Mason.
the end.
Me too.
1 1/3? Close enough.
Sure.
2 cups sounds good to me.
2 cups.
And this is why I'm not allowed to make Kool-Aid.
Hey!
He's busy breaking things. Doing boy things.
I'm gonna kick him out of the video here pretty soon.
1.33 cups for both? Or is that...
No, that's for 1.
That's for 1? Jesus. Yeah, I think I'm okay without diabetes.
Oh. Me? Me?
Wait, put it down. You can pour it after.
Oh, smooth. In case you all didn't see what happened.
Sure, Mom.
I didn't make a mess. You did.
You did. Me
Sugar.
No, with the whisk.
I'm the hand model. I don't do anything. I present objects.
Whisk. We don't have an electric mixer, so
Mom.
we're stuck using our muscles.
Yeah, that's what we had children for.
Me.
See? Look, he's totally into it. He's fine with it. There you go, get to it. I'm not getting paid tonight either.
Mom, eating.
Okay, yeah,
Mason!
you know what? That's why we don't let him do anything. Yeah, I think a hand model needs to jump in here because our physical labor is lacking.
Mating.
Not anymore. More like throwing.
Aww.
It's not really working.
This is a fail. You guys fail.
That one.
Butter. Ooh, chocolate chips.
No! Stop eating them, guys! Jeez.
No, wait. Oh, I'm just eating the ones that fell out. Ow!
You guys,
Chocolate
don't
chips.
make these cookies in front of or with your children or spouses. Stop it!
Ow,
They're not gonna have that many chocolate chips.
Put them in the bag.
Uh-huh, sure you were. The bag of your belly. This thing.
Mommy,
Just so we're aware, there were no seals harming the making this video.
There aren't even any seals.
Oh, I was just making sure I didn't want PETA running after me.
Peter?
PETA.
Peter?
PETA.
Peter?
I'm gonna catnip you right in the face.
No more sugar, bud. We've already got sugar all over everything.
Oh, one here.
That's flour.
Fiber.
It's
Butter.
butter.
Yeah.
Me.
Fall off.
Me.
You know what that reminds me of?
Me.
Peeps.
That's all they're made of, babe. Butter and sugar.
That's disgusting. That's why I don't like Peeps.
You don't?
I can't stand Peeps.
Really?
I can't.
That's why you don't have any friends.
I don't even know. What? I'm pretty gangster myself. I mean, I'm pretty gangster myself.
Alright.
Screwed that all up.
Once it's all mixed in like that and pretty and even and stuff, make sure there's no sugar on the bottom.
Oh, there's sugar on the bottom.
Bull!
You need to specify. There's males watching this.
Alright, you put in your eggs. So, no, not you.
You.
1. Josh.
You.
You only need 1 egg, by the way.
But obviously, since we doubled.
I don't even know.
Where you?
Stole my paper towel, didn't you?
No? Oh, yes I did.
Yes, I did.
Towel.
Hey, Mom.
Don't steal it again!
What? But it's in the shop.
Can I my paper towel?
Oh yes, paper towel.
Thank you. Here. No.
Paper towel exits the scene.
Exits the scene. Stop taking that!
Not
Alright.
exactly the best help.
So, I'm the best video. You guys are I didn't do that, sorry.
At least not intentionally.
Alright, now you need flour. You need 3 cups of flour.
Need flour.
Yes, flour.
Just watch, Mason. She's gonna pour it
This
out. And
is,
it's gonna be like a bunch of sunflowers and daisies.
This is 2 cups, so I'll just fill this one up and then half. But technically we're doing double, so it's 6, so just 3 of these.
There we go.
There we go. Alright, so 6 cups are in there. But now I can't do it with the whisk, so.
No, it just becomes a massaging game.
A massaging table?
Massaging game.
Oh, yeah. Just make sure you incorporate all the flour and stuff.
That's the word I'm looking for. I came up with a better
What?
word in my mind. I came up with a better word in my mind.
What do you mean?
Groping. There we go.
Groping?
That's the word I was looking for.
Can you,
Grope the flour. Repeatedly.
help? You need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. We need 6 teaspoons of baking powder.
What is baking powder? Except except like everything else, and apparently in the baking community, it looks like cocaine.
One baking powder. You're gonna get sued, babe.
I wonder if that's actually copyrighted or not.
The happy birthday song is.
Is it? By who?
2. Say 2.
2.
And the last one.
6.
Try to be stupid and just let it like fall in there.
Done.
Watch you anger. Baking
I anger?
soda. Yes. Spoon.
That's baking powder, babe, not baking soda.
Baking.
Daddy
Cocaine.
done. Edward, Mom done. Me, Edward.
Alright. We need a little bit of salt. Babe, can you? Yeah. Never mind, I got it. Just a little bit. Alright. We're doing double. There we go.
Go.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. Alright, ready? Fun part. Chocolate chips.
Theo can do that. Chocolate chips.
Why does your voice deepen?
Because this is the fun part.
See, that's good
Alright, pour me.
stuff for
Oh, wait, you're too close to the edge. Whatever, just all over it. Oh, I accidentally all the chocolate chips. I just accidentally all over the cookies.
Alright. So just mix all of it. Make sure you get the bottom dough, because then the top cookies are gonna be full of chocolate chips and stuff, and then the bottom cookies are gonna have like 1.
That one, 2.
I think that's okay, considering how much sugar we put into them. Like, if anything, you just didn't have to mix it that much to let the sugar, like, what's the word? Coagulate? Collect? That's how it works, right? It's blood. That's how baking works.
Now, if I can just get all this off. You can get all this off, and then you start spooning it.
Wow.
The cookies or you? Because I'm going for both. Spooning it.
No, can you?
Oh.
So while your oven is preheating at, what did I put it? 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you're gonna grab, stop getting the chocolate chips out of there. You're gonna grab a handful of cookie dough. Oop, not that big. That's a good size. That big? And just start putting it on your pans. I like to put foil on it just because I think it makes it easier to pull the cookies off. And don't put them that close.
I'm not trying to put them close. I'm trying to figure out how big of a you make.
Oh, no, you're good. What was it? Oh,
It's
foil
for-
paper.
Hand models and hosts only, Mason.
Don't. Or I like to put the foil paper down because I think it makes it easier to pull the cookies off, and it makes for easy cleanup. You guys, next time you tune in to these videos and we're in the hospital, now you know why.
Salmonella for the win. Where's my
Babe, that
diabetic
was really
music?
big.
Where's my diabetic medicine?
Diabetic?
Yes, diabetic. It's a thing now. Oh yes, you missed it, but Mason decided to make a cool little odd sound. Kind of sounded like he was Michael Jackson. I was thinking to myself, well, what would have happened if he just been slightly more masculine when it came to him making those noises? So immediately I came up with the sound. It's gonna be a thing
I
now.
was about to say you sound like Dom.
Yes, my cousin's just a little
Just
bit,
kidding, Dom. We love you.
just a little funny.
If you ever doubt our love for you, just go back to that California video.
Yeah.
Aww.
Oh yeah, collateral damage. Oh, more collateral damage.
Nope. They're
No.
back in.
That was not on purpose.
Get one piece, check it.
Babe, that was big.
Oh yeah.
Just had to add a dirty joke in it, didn't you?
Green piece,
Mason.
check it. Bang.
Mason, you can't have these chocolate chips because they're full of egg.
Huh?
You can't have egg whites. I mean, you can't have raw egg. Babe, really? You can't roll them?
Oh. I hadn't rolled any of mine. I just kind of balled them.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Hey,
No,
Mom.
that's why we can't have cookies.
Nice cookies.
Are we done?
Yeah, and then we're just gonna stick these in the oven for 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. They really don't need that long. So I'd say 10 is a really good time.
Watch it. Right here.
Yeah, you're gonna pull them out after 10 minutes. Are you leaving me, hand model?
No.
Gonna pull them out after
I don't
like
like divorce anyway.
10 minutes. I think 10 is good enough, right? Because 12 last time, like, a little bit on the bottom.
No, wait.
I don't remember how long you put them in for last time.
I put them in for the 12. Anyway, 10 and 12 minutes, they'll be good. Set them out to rest, to cool. Like,
Coagulate.
20 minutes if you can wait that long.
And then after they've coagulated, you're good.
Alright, so the cookies are... so the cookies are done. We're gonna take them off now.
Cookies.
Piggy, it's mine.
See? Foil paper makes everything so much easier. Oops, broke that one.
Mom, get one. See, Mom, get one.
Alright, so thanks guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you
Thanks,
make the
Mom.
cookies and try them out and stuff and
Mom,
see if you like them.
milk.
I know the specific one.
Anything to say to the camera?
And model.
No, but yeah, try these cookies out. They're really good. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.
Bye.
You like the cookies?